Hey everyone, Courtney Gardner here, Bodybuilding.com athlete, and today I'm going to take you through a bis and tris workout for sexy arms. The goal of this workout is to tone and sculpt your arms. The other great thing about it is that it's short. You can get in and out of the gym in a half hour and still leave with a great burn. This workout is pretty high intensity. The rest time is about 30 seconds in between each set. Your heart rate is gonna be up the entire time and you wanna keep moving. Let's get into it. The first exercise is a barbell curl, and we're going to use an easy bar. 3 sets of 10 reps each. When performing this exercise, keep your elbows tight to your body to help eliminate any kind of extra muscle usage. We're here to target the biceps. The second exercise is a biceps curl with a single arm hold. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 reps. Throughout this entire workout, we want to keep our heart rate up. The single arm hold increases our time under tension. Do your best to keep your arm at 90 degrees as you get increasingly tired throughout your reps. You're gonna wanna drop it and make sure you hold it steady. The next exercise is an overhead triceps extension, supersetted with bench dips. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 reps each. On the overhead tricep extension, make sure to keep your elbows in and squeeze at the top. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout this entire set. Make sure to keep your hands directly next to your hips to avoid any extra tension on your shoulders. Moving on to the next exercise is cable hammer curls. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 reps each. In previous exercises, we've been using a supinated grip. For this exercise, we're gonna switch to a neutral grip. This is so we can target the muscle at different angles. The last exercise is a triceps rope pushdown with a double drop set. We're gonna do 10 reps, drop the weight with no rest. 10 more reps, drop the weight again with no rest, finishing with 10 more reps for a total of 30 reps for that set. Remember, this is the last exercise of the workout. The purpose of it is to burn out. So keep going even though it feels like a lot. I recommend doing this workout once a week. It's a perfect workout when you don't have a lot of time. The full breakdown of this workout is detailed below here on Bodybuilding.com. If you have any questions about this workout or anything else, you can find me on Instagram at CourtGard. For more videos and content from athletes like me, keep coming back to Bodybuilding.com. Hey, if you enjoyed this workout, make sure you hit subscribe below.